Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to make detangling just a little bit easier. If you're anything like me, the length of my wash day really depends on how long I spend in the shower detangling my hair. So if you want tips on how to cut down on your detangling time, then keep on watching. Before I start this video, I just want to say I'm not going to be mentioning things like making sure you section off your hair before detangling, making sure that you detangle from the bottom to the roots, and making sure that you have a little slip in your hair before you detangle, because I feel like those are very basic tips that everyone pretty much knows. The tips that I'm going to be talking about are tips that I feel will benefit you guys if you use them in addition to the basic tips. Now, my first tip I don't really do anymore because I don't have the money for it, but it is to detangle before and after shampooing your hair. What I've noticed is that whenever I would finish shampooing my hair would be 10 times more tangled than it was when I first came in. So I would take the time to actually shampoo and detangle my hair before I went to shampoo it. Your hair is already tangled when you go into the shower to shampoo it, and then after you shampoo, chances are that your hair is going to be even more knotted than it was when you first came in. So if you take the time to condition your hair and detangle it before you shampoo, the conditioning and the detangling after the shampoo will make a lot easier. Now, I know as someone with curly hair, conditioner is like this big holy grail type of thing that you don't ever want to run out of. So this is really more for people that don't really mind using more conditioner every time they wash their hair, or maybe you have a conditioner bottle that you want to get rid of but you don't really like that much, so you don't really want to use it but you don't want to throw it away either. So this is really the good chance to use that bottle of conditioner while also using a conditioner that you really like. My second tip is to actually separate your curls before you go in and even apply any conditioner. What I've noticed is that when I go to put conditioner in my hair after I've finished shampooing, the conditioner doesn't really go throughout all of my hair because it has so many knots that the conditioner doesn't really have a way to kind of coat all of the strands. So what you can do is, before even applying any of the conditioner, make sure that the section that you are going to detangle is soaking wet, and then kind of pull apart the curls where they'll naturally pull apart, and then that way when you do go to put in the conditioner, it is so much easier to be able to coat all of the curls because they are already midway detangled. My third tip is to make sure that your hair is wet when you go to detangle your hair. Now, I know that everyone knows to, put conditioner in your hair and kind of let it sit for a little bit before you actually go in to detangle, but I've noticed that it takes me so long to kind of part my hair and apply all the conditioner that when I go back to the first section that I did apply conditioner on, it's already dry. There's no water. The conditioner is still there, but the water has completely evaporated. Yes, you do need conditioner to detangle your hair, but you also need water. And if you don't have any water in your hair is just gonna be frizzy, you're gonna get split ends, and it's just not gonna look very pretty. So what I like to do is, right before I go to detangle a section of my hair that has conditioner in it, I like to kind of sprinkle some water on top, enough that my hair does feel wet, but not enough that I'm just going to rinse out all of the conditioner. Now, if you guys want any more tips, make sure that you watch these two videos where I talk about tips and tricks on how to take care and protect your curls in the summer and how to make your wash and goes last longer. And make sure to come back next week where I tell you guys what you're doing that is potentially ruining your hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!